Elmo's first trip to the pet store?
Maple was like 10.
Short leash today. Short leash. Let's hit it. Let's go get some snacks, guys. But she's so young, we won't let her go on the ground or anything. We gotta carry her. Remember, short leash. She's never really been around other dogs either, you
We're
know?
looking at costumes. I don't care. We're looking at costumes.
Costumes.
Look,
She could be a hot dog.
I want my dog to be a hot dog. A dog. Hot dog.
A sunflower. Oh my goodness.
This is.
We definitely have to do a Halloween costume for them.
Yes. We do. What is this, a shark?
Shark,
Do,
yeah.
do we
That's
want...
for a big dog.
I want Momo to be this. And Maple to be this.
Okay, Sophie, which one you want to do?
Maybe the hot dog from Momo?
The bumblebee, or you want to do the hot dog?
Yeah. I think it fits here. Does it look like it fits here?
Yeah, it's about the right size.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah. We can't really spoil the surprise of what it looks like here on the video, so we gotta wait. Okay, we gotta find one for Maple now. You have to wear this all day on Halloween, by the way.
Yeah.
Not you. This isn't yours. Look. How does it look on her?
Oh, that's cute.
That is pretty cute. So we're gonna try and see if they like any toys, right? Today, try and pick out a toy you guys will like. Get you a few more toys, maybe.
Maple's like, a whole new one.
So I think we have plenty of balls, so we don't need any ball toys. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. Okay.
Those are cute.
Each arm and leg has a squeaker.
Oh, I'm pretty sure you were talking about
Oh,
this.
that's cute.
I'm pretty sure you were talking about this.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, there we go. Look at that thing. That is super cute, right?
Wait, I can't see.
Oh,
Oh, I was gonna say it's Elmo, but that looks like
Cookie
no.
Monster.
Oh, it is Cookie Monster. You're right. You're right.
Maple was interested in this one.
This is cool. It's actually got bones on it for them to chew on.
Oh.
Oh, I think we're gonna get that one.
Oh, I think that's a good one.
Listen to her. Okay, you're sold, huh? Let's do it.
Let's do it. Time, Maple.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute, isn't it? Should we get that? They're 50% off, so
Sure, I think so.
let's do the Maple test. Maple, come here. What do you think? You like that one too? Okay, I think it passed.
If you start trying to nibble on it,
So
it's
how
really
much?
fast.
I wonder how much they're gonna fight over these two. So we got the cow, or the bull, I guess, and the sheep. What is that?
Dog?
What?
A bear.
Are you serious?
A llama.
Looks
daddy.
closer
Or
to
daddy.
a llama. I don't know what that is actually. A daddy?
Momo's
Maybe.
like,
Maybe it's a daddy.
Momo, so Maple's smelling everything.
Should we get them the mummy cookie?
The
Should we
mummy's
get them
cute.
the bat cookie? The
Eyeball?
cookie, ghost cookie,
No
or
eyeball.
pumpkin?
Let's do the mummy. I think the mummy's
I
actually
think
really
the
cute.
mummy's cool looking, right? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
awesome. Okay. Get them one snack of the cookie.
You get a snacky, lucky ducky.
Whoa, that's cool. That's a gerbil or a hamster cage. We can crawl all the way down here, all the way up the head.
I want a hamster. I like the red one, the other one better. I think that's just too big of a bow. Yeah, I think I like this color.
Okay.
Should I try it on Momo?
Yep, that's the one we need.
It's so hard to see with all her black fur. I like that color on her.
Yeah, let's get one here. Yeah, that's pretty.
Can we get
no
that
red,
one?
No red, I'm sorry, my lady.
Can we get that one?
What you doing, big girl? Yeah. You getting tired? You look pretty comfortable in Mommy's arms, though. Being a good girl? Yeah, there you are. So, what are we getting today, guys? This is not for you, but I'm gonna hold it next to you because you're so pretty. This is for Momo. Small but pretty. This is for Momo or Maple, whoever likes it. I don't know what it is. A llama, a deer, bear,
Or daddy.
or daddy, maybe. And we're gonna get them a cookie to share because it's too sweet for them to have one of their own. It's apple cinnamon flavor. We'll see how they like that. And then we're gonna get them a bowl. I think Maple's gonna love this one the most, but I'm sure they will not share it.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Do you like it? She's just like, yeah, I don't want to be in your arms anymore.
Daddy, look at that one. Look at that color.
Those
Beer?
are
Beer.
those are beers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not buying a beer color. Sorry. Okay. And I think we're ready to go, guys, right?
Yes.
What do you think? What do you think? Your first visit to a Momo? What do you think about your first visit to a store? She's like, I don't care. I've got too many tears running down my eyes. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Not true.